Hey guys, Abraham here. I'm really happy to be sharing with you that our newest course, the hair creation for game characters, is now ready. It should be available down here in the description, so make sure to check out the links if you want to check it out. And I want to show you one of the exercises that's actually not showcased in the intro video or in the first video. And this is from chapter 1, so this is going to be the first thing that you guys are going to be doing. And it's this. Ta-da! Little horse charm. It's a really nice exercise. You guys know that whenever I explain things, I like to start like gradually increasing the difficulty so that it makes it a little bit more manageable, right? So this exercise is going to teach you how to properly create all of the hair maps that you need to create your hair cards, and then we're going to be assembling them and creating this very nice little like horse charm. I was thinking this could be like an item or something that you find in like an Assassin's Creed or in like Elden Ring or something like that. And yeah, it's pretty cool. It's a very, I would say, basic exercise, but it's going to teach you all of the basic stuff. So in the first 2 hours of the course, you're going to be able to do this sort of hair really easily. After that, we're going to jump onto one of my favorite exercises from the series, which is Merc. Merc is our hero here. Well, not hero, he's the enemy. He's one of the villains, and it's Merc the Ogre. So I'm going to be teaching you again how to create this sort of like hair. This I call this the universal hair system, which is a hair that's going to be compatible with pretty much every single rendering engine. So yeah, this is it, guys. The course is ready. I'm really happy with the result. It's about 12 hours long as well, so it's a lot of content, really packed, really dense. But I think you guys are going to enjoy it. So make sure to check it down here. Remember, all of that, of course, the courses and everything helps support the channel. So if there's something you're interested on, make sure to check it out. Also, on other news, this week I might not be able to upload every single day. I'm probably gonna be like recording one day and then skipping one day, because this week I am like we're launching a very special area here in the museum that I talked about. It's a little bit of another of my jobs right here. So yeah, just want to let you guys know that we're not gonna have as much like videos throughout the weekend or the weekdays. However, and this is very important, we have our portfolio review this weekend. So do not forget to check down here, check the description. There's going to be a Google Drive folder, and if you want me to review your portfolio this weekend, check that link, drop a little folder, create a little folder with your name, drop me like a little text file or something, write whatever you want. If you want to leave me a message, I'm always happy to read your messages, guys. And yeah, just drop your ArtStation link, your Blogspot, your Metroflog, like whatever is working right now, just drop your link and I'm going to be able to check it out. Remember also that it doesn't have to be all finished pieces. If you want to submit a ZBrush file, a Maya file, even a Blender file, I can take a look at them and like show you what I would do, how I would improve them, and just give you general advice. Okay, so we're gonna have our first portfolio review this weekend. Make sure to submit files so that we can have a great time. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Make sure to check the stylized character as well. We've been working. We're in chapter 3 right now, or part 3. If you haven't seen it, go back and watch. There's very cool messages and stuff over there. And yeah, that's it. I think I'm gonna go get some rest, and I'll see you back on the next one. Bye bye.